Wow, hi, this is Harold. I got my Playa shirt on and I'm at Rapid TXT. I spun around this way. I'm going to spin around the other way here in a moment. I'm going to see what I can find today. This is freaking awesome. Stratsys is here, Ultimaker's here, a few other folks I've never heard of that are doing some fantastic things. Hopefully I'll get you guys some good pictures, photos, and something called SLM, Selective Laser Melting. Seems cool to me. Low spots in the corner, Ultimaker's in the corner, and they're like the least players I'm seeing here. And those are the only people I know, really. We have Form Labs in the house. I'm gonna go see those guys in a little bit. Stratsys in the house. We gotta get some focus. Stratsys in the house. Tons of cool stuff. Yes, everything literally here is 3D printed in some form or fashion. This is just off the chain. Fantastic. The GE guys are about to kick something up here in about 16 minutes. I'm sure it'll be amazing. Hopefully I can catch some of that. Awesome. Take care.